Hi folks, today we're going to work on more challenging inequalities. So it's going to be important that when you do the Delta Math assignment, you write down the inequality and write out the steps because there's a lot of steps in solving these. All right, so for example, here we have parentheses on the left-hand side. We have like terms on the right-hand side. So what I might start out by doing is putting a -1 in there and getting rid of those parentheses by multiplying. So I would have 4 minus 9h plus 4. And then I can combine the -8 and 7, giving me -1. Then rewriting the left-hand side and combining the 4s. And remember, when you're solving an inequality, it's just like solving an equation. You're trying to get the variable on one side and the numbers on the other. So I would subtract 8 here and then subtract 8h. So that's going to give me -17h, less than symbol, and then I have -9. And then I'm going to divide by -17. Remembering that whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, that switches the inequality. So negative over a negative is a positive. The equality becomes greater than, and so then I'm going to leave it as a fraction, 9/17. So h is greater than 9/17. Okay, let's look at another one. Here we have parentheses on the right. So I have the 7x. I'm going to multiply by 6. That's going to give me -30x. 6 times -1/2 is -3. And then I have this -3 outside the parentheses. Well, so here I can move this 30x by adding. So I get 37x. And then add the -3 and -3, giving me -6. So then I'm dividing by 37. And I'm done. X is greater than -6 over 37. That cannot be reduced. Okay, so my suggestion is when you go into Delta Math, make sure you write out the inequality on your paper and then work it all out before putting the answer into Delta Math, because the practice is in doing all of the steps. So Delta Math, the 9-2 assignment, or 921 assignment, 1.2, solving inequalities. And here's the puzzle. I understand. This is challenging. I understand that. Good luck, folks.